everyone, my name is David.
Hi everyone, my name is Hope.
I'm Lynn, I'm a junior.
I'm Holmes, and I'm also a junior.
I'm Ollie, and I'm a freshman.
I'm Ava, I'm a fourth year, and we are here to talk about the app they designed, Brain Break.
Yeah, so we designed Brain Break because we noticed three central themes amongst teens on social media. So the first theme was that more time on social media leads to more negative social comparison, and also that many teens are not very self-aware about this negative social comparison. And the last theme was that many times notifications about screen time limits are ignored. So we designed Brain Break to combat these feelings of anxiety and depression that result from these things.
So we've broken down our intervention into 3 phases. So our phase 1 is the onboarding process. It's a very quick 2-question onboarding process where users will input goals and values and also input tasks based on that align with the goals and values, so like example habits or tasks. And secondly, they'll input common social media that they consume. In phase 2, this is like the trial phase. So basically what we want to emphasize in this app is like kind of figuring out what helps you specifically. At first, users might not know what is the best way to combat their negative self-comparison. So this trial phase is about like a couple days, and the app will give different types of ways to try to bring awareness and combat it. So the users can test it out in the first 2 days, and then like in the 3rd day or onwards, they can customize it, turn some things on and off. So this is the notification style number 1, which is a banner, and it customizes how often it pops up. And clicking on it takes you to the app. The notification style number 2 redirects you directly to the app and asks you a couple questions. So the first question is what content you're engaging with. And you can slide the bar to represent how you're feeling. So on the left is positive, on the right is negative. And optionally, you can upload a social media data as like a JSON file or whatever. And so we have 3 different intervention activities. Activity number 1 is a to-do list page. On the onboarding process, the users already inputted like a few things, but this is like, after they do that, they can edit, add, remove goals and values, and also like edit their to-do list. And these pop up during the notification, so it reminds the users of like their values and goals. So the activity number 2 is the game and journal page, where users are reminded while using social media that they can play games or journal about their comparisons and talk about like how they feel. And the activity number 3 is the analytics page. So this interrupts social media use to ask about how you feel about the content you're consuming. So this feeds into analytics page that uses AI to analyze your patterns and suggest changes based on those patterns. This is essentially like a leaderboard against yourself, instead of trying to compare yourself to another person or other people on a leaderboard.
So now we have ways to keep the user engaged. So what we have is a customizable map, and you can change the theme, as well as a mini-me that you can change and create your own character with to keep users, to give users instant gratification by allowing them like a little mini-me and a map, and then long-term, as you progress, that kind of shows delayed gratification.
Yeah, so our team believes that Brain Break is the best intervention to reduce feelings of anxiety and depression that come with negative social comparison, because it reduces social media usage, it focuses on life goals, it improves feelings about yourself, and it decreases negative social comparison altogether in teens.
And it's also like a neutral app so that any like gender or any age group can use it. Thank you.